When you discover a food you absolutely adore, it can be downright spiritual. And St. Bread in the University District has a congregation waiting around the block to partake in divine treats and heavenly burgers. Co-owner Randy Rocklow works with her team to create a menu that will keep you coming back singing hallelujah.
So it's kind of based on the concept of the sacred bread, sort of from the Danish Saint Broad. But we really just wanted to do something that was special and casual and also to be a big part of the community here.
I think it's safe to say you're a big part of the community. When I see the line of people that are extending out your door, there's also got to be something drawing them into this store. That's awesome.
We think we have some pretty good treats.
One of their signature treats is a rhubarb Danish that combines walnuts, a flaky dough, and a fruity Washington rhubarb jam.
Rhubarb is one of my favorite fruits. Honestly, it's one of the fruits I grew up eating. When I was a kid, my grandmother would send us out to her yard with a bowl of sugar, and I would just eat rhubarb dipped in the sugar. I love rhubarb, but it's also for us too. It's one of the first things we see in the spring here in the Pacific Northwest. So,
just look at that.
it's okay.
First off, the thing I enjoy so much is that sweet tart of the rhubarb. But to die for is this pastry.
It's really nice, right?
It's just so
the
flaky
layers,
and crunchy. And when you bite into it, you just get that soft center. And if this is just one of your dishes, I can't wait to try the others. Let's see what the people think of this blessed rhubarb treat.
It's delicious.
That's good.
Okay, all right.
It's fluffy. It's yummy. It's pretty sweet. It's like sweeter than I was expecting.
I really like the tartness.
I'm a fan.
Yeah, I feel like it seems kind of scary, but this is like, it tastes good.
Rhubarb, the scary fruit.
I want to have more of it, but I want to answer your questions.
That's good. I'd rather you enjoy that than answer my questions.
It's perfect.